This is the Seth Jensen team from Remax. This is our house of the week here in Castle Pines. So we're going to take you on a quick tour. So come on with me. First thing is that we have a really nice porch here. And if you look down there, you'll see a swing. So can you picture yourself having a couple of adult beverages, having it swinging, and look at all the greenery and mature landscaping. Come on in the house now, and let's take a look and see what we have. First thing we come in, you see it's a very wide open concept. A lot of natural lighting. It's pretty bright in here. Off to our right here we have our office. So here's the office. You can see we have a deer head, we have fish heads, or not fish, we have fish mounted. It's kind of a man cave, but it's a good sized office. You have a credenza and a desk and still a lot of space left over. Over here we have our dining room. Which is a nice large room, a lot of natural lighting again, bright space. Again, open concept. We come here to our family room, the upper level, and you can see we have a fireplace, and we have the coffered ceiling, which looks really nice, a fan. Come on over this way. We have our kitchen. We have a very large island here, a lot of space, bright, cheery, stainless steel appliances, convection double oven, so on and so forth. So if you like cooking or if you like eating, either way, this is the space for you. Here we have an area where you can have your breakfast or dinner or whatnot. Come on, let's go outside on the deck. We have the grill over here. There's a natural gas hookup that's available. You can see it's a beautiful day out today. You have a lot of room here. This is just a huge deck that we have. You have an eating area over here, and you have a sitting area over here. And if you come further over here, you can see we have a nice view of the mountains as well. So what a great outdoor space for you to enjoy yourselves. And you can see there's all kinds of mature landscaping, trees, whatnot. There's no leaves now, but even without the leaves, you can see it's a very private area. So let's go back inside. Yeah, it's a big deck, so it takes a little while to make it. Continue on this way. We'll go through the family room again. Again, you can see it's a wide open space. We have a lot of natural lighting. You can see out there, great scenery, and open. Over here you come. We have our bathroom. This is a half bath that's in here. For your guests or yourself to be using. And then we come over here, we have our master bedroom. Master bedroom has a second fireplace for your enjoyment, TV. This is a king-size bed. This will give you an idea of the size of the room. You don't see rooms or bedrooms this size anymore. Come into the master bath here. And we have a large bathroom, of course, 2 sinks. Got to have his and hers. We don't want to be fighting. And then we have the closet, which has a closet organizer. And of course, you have a chandelier. Why wouldn't you have a chandelier in your master closet? You've got to have that. All right, let's go downstairs. This is just half the show. So just follow me. We'll go through the master bedroom again here. And we'll go down to the lower level. The lower level has access outside. It's got a lot of natural lighting that's available. And we'll go outside first just to do that. And upstairs we've got the deck, which you can see is above us. But outside here, again, is a very private, large patio area where you can enjoy with your guests. You can have a sit down here, another adult beverage. We're getting a couple of those in here, aren't we? Or sit down here, take a nap, or just relax. But it's a nice yard with a lot of trees, and you can sit out and enjoy yourself in some solitude and nice privacy. Let's go back in. And we have a natural slate floor here, which is pretty interesting. And one of the things, you can zoom in here, some of these slate have fossils in them. You can see the plant right there. And so just for fun, if you want to play a game, you can go see how many fossils you can find on the floor here. Let's come on over this way. We have another bathroom here. This is a full bath, you know, at the lower level. And then we have another bedroom here. Every room in the lower level has natural lighting. You can have great scenery and natural light, and it's wide open. Now, if you're feeling really ambitious, this is where you're going to come. This is the exercise room here. You could use this as a fourth bedroom if you want, but you have a lot of space in here. We have a treadmill, we have the total gym, chin-up bars, TV, exercise balls, the whole 9 yards. You don't need to drive anywhere to get your exercise in. So come on in and do it here. Here we have another big family room. You can see this is a huge couch we've got here. Huge lazy boy. This is a nice big room. There's a wet bar here. There's a wine chiller. Some more wine. I keep talking adult beverages. Don't get carried away. 72-inch TV. This is included, so come get it. All right, let's keep going. Here's another bedroom. Again, this is a king-size bed. And look at all the room that you have in here. You don't have bedrooms this size in most houses. So plenty of space. Again, natural lighting. What a view you have out of here. So take advantage of this. We have guests come, or when you have guests come, you're in Colorado, this is a place to be. But there's a bonus. Let's check this out. This is the spa bathroom. Here we've got a huge shower with multiple heads, a rain head, a regular head, and it's a steam shower. So if you have guests come, the biggest problem you're going to have, getting them to leave because it's so nice. Again, 2 sinks. And how many bathrooms do you know that have 5 doors? There's a door here for the steam shower. There's a door here for the linen closet. There's a door there that goes, there's a lot of storage back here, which is a big challenge in a lot of houses. Another bathroom here. So this wraps up our visit for 7302 Woodglen Place. This is our house of the week, Seth Jensen Real Estate. And the phone number is 720-580-2602. So if you want to take a tour of this house, give Seth a call, 720-580-2602. You're going to love it.